Hey, what's up? Welcome to the exciting tutorials how to create an e-commerce website from scratch. So till now we had done with our order. We had just saved all these information into our database. Now we are going to the PayPal integration. We are going to purchase this product using the PayPal. So you have to click upon the submit your order now. Then we will go to this file PayPal redirect.php and we will be go to redirect to PayPal. Now it is just coming like this. Pay with your PayPal ID and just like that. So you have to check here. We had inside the order review.php, after inserting the data into database, we had called the user to just like that. Location is equal to PayPal-redirect.php. So now we are checking inside the file PayPal-redirect.php, and first of all we had made a connection with the database. Now we are checking for the cart items and we are checking the total price. Whatever we are taking the total price here, and we are taking the total amount with including the shipping price, and we are just added the total price and just shipping we had just added. Now we are checking for the PayPal integration. You have to create something like that: $select PayPal _ email MySQL fetch array MySQL, and we are selecting the PayPal email address which a user has in the backend. We are just selecting the PayPal email address from here, which we set it down here inside the payment settings. We are fetching the details from here. Select PayPal email from the table payment, and we are having the email inside select _ PayPal _ email. So first of all we are using only sandbox to make payments like that. So the PayPal URL, you will get this whole code on the PayPal integration website. So first of all this whole code for PayPal, then method is post, then the name and the ID of form, then inside the hidden field the business, so PayPal email on which money will be transacted, the business and the PayPal email, then the item name and just like that, item name, and you can put your item name here just like you can pick from the $session item name. You can pick $session, and product name you can pick from here, whatever we have inserted in our you have to pick from the file cart item.php, and it will be just like product name, something like that, or you can pick product ID, or you can just here put here any name you can want. Just you have to pick the name from the session, just like that. You are putting the t-shirt here, and here we are having the item number, how much items are there, and then the amount, total amount we are picking up here. Then shipping we are checking inside. You have to take all the hidden fields like no shipping amount, item name, and just like that. Then the currency code will be USD, and input code is equal to hidden, and there might be only two cases, if the cancel or the successful return. For cancel return we are getting our file to PayPal-c-return.php. For successful we are using the file PayPal-s.return.php. So what's happened when you click on this, you will be redirected to this with the order with the price. So the total price was $19, and now we are going to pay some money, and after that we will be redirected to just like if the payment is success. After you payment, if the payment is success, we will be redirected to PayPal-s-return.php. If it is not success, then we will be redirected to PayPal-c-return.php. So now you have to open the file PayPal-c-return and PayPal-s-returns.php. So in case of cancel, we are checking the order ID and the user ID, and we are deleting the values from our database, just like that. Suppose we are here and we are clicking to cancel and return to this, and then we will be redirected to file PayPal-c-return.php, and we are checking you have been redirected to our site, and there might be two reasons. Your payment provider could not complete the payment and you press the back buttons. Your order has been submitted to our platform, however the payment is not complete, so we can't begin production. You can't complete the payment, just like that. PayPal, and you can finalize the payment also from here. So a very basic form here, just putting down all the values with lots of messages if we got anything, and then at the bottom, with all items in the cart, we are just sending, redirecting to our again the same PayPal page, and if the product, if and in case if you have your payment is successful, you have paid everything, then with the order ID and transaction ID we will get from the PayPal, the TXN ID PayPal will give you us. Then we are just including the success order email.php, and we are inserting the order into the table order success, the user ID and other details related to user. So this is how we do with the PayPal and e-commerce website. So now we have integrated the PayPal, and now you can see the orders in the back end here. You can manage orders from back end here, down here, like the date and the ID and the order ID and status. So you can manage the whole complete order. So this is how we do with the PayPal integration. We had completed our course. So thank you for subscribing this course. We had learned a lots of things here.